Year 1, good morning Waikato and Mekong class. I'm going to tell you about the literacy work for this week. So we're looking at a new book, but before I do that, thank you for uploading your work onto Purple Mash. We all enjoy looking at your work and looking at your lovely drawings and writing. And I'd like to just start off by sharing some work that we've received. Yuli used some lovely adjectives to describe the black rock. She described it being as big as a mountain and as sharp as a swordfish. So she's used some lovely descriptive vocabulary there. Also, Leo in Mekong class, he drew lots of sea creatures, and again he used some lovely vocabulary to describe them. So one of his sea creatures had a tentacle stinger, which was lovely, very imaginative. Ellis from Waikato class thought that there was a sunken ship behind the rock. Great prediction. Antonio, he thought that Erin was not allowed to go out to the sea because there was a big shark out there. So great predictions. And finally, I've got a picture here that Layla from Waikato class, she drew a picture of the black rock and the sea. If I just show it to you. So you can see in this picture, there are lots of tall trees, and there is also a fox looking way up into the sky. I'm going to read you part of the story. Because Fox was small and the trees reached far higher than the tips of his ears, he was timid and afraid to stray far from his den. And yet, for as long as Fox could remember, he would wake at night to the cool, calm light of star. So have a think about what it means when it says he was timid. What do you think that means? Look at his expression. And why do you think he was afraid to stray from his den? Okay, so as before, you'll have activities to carry out, and I'm going to give you some extra activities just for a challenge. Have a think about what the star looks like. How many points does it have? You could draw a picture of it and then write a few sentences to describe it. For example, it is as shiny as silver dust. Another activity is to think about what might you say to make the fox feel better. He's looking a bit lost, so what would you say to reassure him and make him feel safe? And a final activity is to think about a time perhaps when you've seen a fox, maybe in your back garden or when you've been out in the park. What did the fox look like? How do you think it was feeling? How did it make you feel? So again, you could draw a picture and write a few sentences to describe how the fox was feeling. Okay, we hope you enjoyed the activities, Year 1. Take care for now. Bye.